In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export reports from Xero to Excel. If you need to work with your Xero data outside the platform, exporting a report to Excel is a quick and practical way to do it. It's especially useful if you want to analyze figures in more detail, share them with someone else, or keep a copy on your computer for your own records. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, sign in to your Xero account. Make sure you're using the correct account and that you're fully logged in before moving on. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll be ready to access the reporting tools. Next, go to the top menu and click on Reporting. This is where Xero keeps the different financial and business reports you can view and export. Depending on your screen size or account layout, the menu may look slightly different, but the reporting section is the place you want. Once you're there, open the specific report you want to export. Take a moment to choose the correct report, since Xero offers several different reporting options. For example, you might be opening a profit and loss report, a balance sheet, or another report relevant to your needs. Just click the report you want so it opens on screen. After the report is open, set the report options. This usually means choosing the reporting period so the data matches exactly what you want to export. If needed, click Update to refresh the report with your selected date range or settings. This is an important step because the exported file will reflect whatever is currently displayed in the report, so it's worth double-checking everything before you continue. When the report looks correct, click Export. This will open the available export options for that report. From those options, choose Excel. Selecting Excel tells Xero to generate the report in a spreadsheet format that you can open and edit later in Microsoft Excel or other compatible spreadsheet programs. After that, save the file to your computer. Choose a location that's easy to find, such as your desktop, Downloads folder, or a dedicated folder for financial documents. If you have the option, it can also help to use a clear file name so you can recognize it later without opening it. And that's it. Once the file is saved, your Xero report has been successfully exported to Excel and is ready to use. Thanks for watching.